Problem 17. Referring to the sketches, it is seen that 3, 9, and 18 matches are required to make the triangular patterns depicted respectively. How many matches would be needed to construct a similar figure with a 10 match stick base? Here is a 1 match stick base. Here's 2. Here's 3. We need to find 10, so we need to go 10 levels. So let's look at every single pattern, how many is needed to add to go to the next level. So for 1, we have to extend 1 level out. Here are 2, 1 more, and this and that. So to go from level 1 to 2, we need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. To go from 2 to 3, we need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To go 3 to 4, then we can find out is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's write this down. So we have 3, 9, 18. That's existing. Difference is 6, 9. And we already find the level 4, which is going to be 12 more than this, which is 30. So let's look at this pattern. So the difference is 6, 9, 12. So that's 2 of 3. That's a 3 of 3. Multiples of 3. And then multiples of 3 again. So that's 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3. The next one is going to be 5 of 3. So that's 45. The next one would be 18. That's 6 of 3. Adding to that is 63. Next one, 21. So we need to go level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 84, 24. That is 108, 7, 8. 2 more. 27. That is 135. Next one would be 30. That's 165. 9 and 10. So this would be the right answer, 165.